There are two types of soaps that you might see in the kitchen. Please point to which one should I use to wash my hands. Hopefully you are all pointing to this one. How many of you are guilty of doing a little quick wash? Like that. No soap or water. When we are turning on the sinks, there are two colors. One is red, that is the hot water. The blue one, that is the cold water. You only need to turn it on just a tiny bit, just like that, in order to wash your hands. You do not start spinning this or anything like that. If it is too hot, add some cold water. You should never be scalding your hands and burning them. So Mrs. Rainier is going to demonstrate us putting cocoa powder in our hands. Show me your hands, Mrs. Rainier. And can you rub it in tops, bottoms? It's gonna look like Mrs. Rainier was outside at gym class and she decided to go play in the dirt. Not what you should be doing in gym class. Yep, so we are going to first do a quick wash and then, nope, not yet. Then we're gonna do washing for 20 seconds as you all count out loud as she does that. After we do that, each one, I'm gonna take a piece of bread, I'm gonna wipe our hands with it, so that way we can compare what washing our hands with soap and water actually does. So we're gonna first do the quick wash. And then I'm gonna wipe your hands, bread. All right, so this time we're gonna all count to 20, all of you. Not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, not 1, 5, 2, 4, 3, to 20, with soap and water. Can't forget the soap. Okay, here we go. And remember, warm to hot, but not burning ourselves. 1, 2, 3. And hands again. Make sure you get a paper towel and throw it into the trash can. Again, we're not in gym class, which means nothing should be throwing in an arc-like motion into the trash can. Leave that for gym class. All right, so this was our first piece of bread that Mrs. Rainier used. So as you can see, one side looks clean, the other side it's not really focusing there. But what is all of the cocoa powder actually representing? Now, this is the piece after 20 seconds, washing our hands with soap and water. What do you notice about this piece?